Welcome to this lesson on linear equations in two variables. Today, we are going to explore the fundamental building blocks of algebra, specifically looking at equations that create straight lines. We will break down the standard form, Ax plus by equals c, and understand what every part means. So, what exactly is a linear equation? Simply put, it is an algebraic equation where each term is either a constant number or a variable multiplied by a constant. The most important thing to remember is that when you graph these equations on a coordinate plane, they always form a perfectly straight line. You won't see any curves or bends here. Let's look at the standard form. Ax plus by equals c here, a and b are the coefficients, which are just real numbers, usually integers. X and y are our variables, representing the coordinates on a graph, and c is the constant value. Together, these three parts define the position and slope of our line. To make this concrete, imagine you are shopping for fruit. Apples cost $2 and oranges cost $3. You have exactly $12 to spend. We can write this as 2x plus 3y equals 12. This equation represents every possible combination of apples and oranges you can buy with your budget. A solution to this equation isn't just one number. It is a pair of numbers, x and y. If you buy 0 apples, you can afford 4 oranges. If you buy 3 apples, you can afford 2 oranges. And if you buy 6 apples, you have no money left for oranges. These pairs, 0, 4, 3, 2, and 6, 0, are our solutions. Now, let's take those pairs and put them on a graph. We plot 0, 4 on the y-axis, 3, 2 in the middle, and 6, 0 on the x-axis. Notice how they line up perfectly. This is the visual representation of our algebraic solutions. When we connect these dots, we get a continuous straight line. Every single point that falls on this line is a valid solution to our equation. Even the fractional points in between represent valid combinations, algebraically speaking. Two very special points on this line are called intercepts. The y-intercept is where the line crosses the vertical axis. We find this by setting x to 0. The x-intercept is where it crosses the horizontal axis. We find this by setting y to 0. These are often the easiest points to find when you want to graph a line quickly. To wrap up, remember that linear equations form straight lines. The standard form is Ax plus by equals c. A solution is a coordinate pair, x, y. And finally, finding the two intercepts is the fastest way to sketch the graph. Thank you for watching this introduction to linear equations. Understanding how equations translate to graphs is a superpower in mathematics. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next lesson.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.